Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beena. Today I am here with the typical Kerala recipe. I am going to show you how to make koottu curry. Koottu curry is a Kerala SADYA recipe. Traditional method of preparing koottu curry is we need to soak this black chana, Kadala, overnight. But today I am going to show you how to prepare koottu curry without soaking this black chana overnight. Maybe many people know this method of preparing koottu curry. For those who doesn't know, they can follow this method. So let's see how to make this delicious koottu curry. Here I am taking 1.5 cup of black chana or Kadala. Adding briskly boiling water into this. I am going to soak this for 2 hours. Meanwhile, we can cut the vegetables whatever is required for this curry. If you have already soaked this black chana overnight, you can just skip this step and follow the procedures whatever I am going to do afterwards. The veggies what I am taking here is a small piece of yam, chena, and this one plantain, raw banana or pachakaya. I'm going to remove the skin and cut them into small pieces. So the vegetables are ready. Now let's prepare a masala for our koottu curry. For this I am taking 1 cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Now I am going to grind this coarsely. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. We need to grind this coarsely. We don't need a very smooth and fine paste for this curry. So let's do that. Adding some water. Let's grind this. So our coconut masala is ready. This is not very smooth fine paste. You can see this is a coarse mixture of coconut and masalas whatever I have used here. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside. So 2 hours are over now. These black chanas are all ready to get cooked. I'm going to wash this thoroughly and I will transfer this into a pressure cooker. Here I am taking a pressure cooker, adding this black chana into this. Adding chopped vegetables. Two and a half cup of water. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is less spicy. Covering this with a lid and let this cook for 3 to 4 whistles. So the pressure has released completely. So I will show you whether it is cooked or not. The veggies are cooked well. For my convenience, I am transferring this into another pan. Adding coarsely ground coconut mixture into this. You can add little more water into this just to combine everything. Right now I am not adding into this because this has enough gravy. Adding enough salt. Let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until curry will get boiled very well. Cover this up with a lid. Adding some curry leaves into this. Consistency of the curry is actually thick. If you want to make a little more gravy, you can add some more water into this, but I am okay with this. Curry started to boil. This will become even more thicker once it cools down. So if your curry has little bit gravy, don't worry, this will become thick afterwards. This is a great combination to have with rice. My personal favorite is I would like to have this with some Kerala koottu and idli. That is my favorite combination. So now let's give some seasoning for this. I am switching off the flame. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I prefer to use coconut oil for this because that will give that authentic flavor of Kerala recipe. Mustard seeds. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds started to splatter. Let's add half cup of fresh coconut. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. And some curry leaves. Sauteed. Frying this until its color slightly changes into brown. I am adding 2 dry red chilies as well. This is completely optional. So grated coconut turned into brown in color. I am going to pour it over the curry. Switching off the flame. So our koottu curry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you are a subscriber, click the bell icon near to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So until next time, bye bye.